Good morning, guys. Today we are doing something very exciting. We are planning to hike through the beaches of South Goa, starting from Patnam.
Yeah.
So we are going to go to 4 beaches. लेकिन दिक्कत ये है कि 2 बीचेस जो है उनके बीच में एक क्या है, रिवर है, तो हमको वो स्विम करके जाना पड़ेगा. एंड देन backwaters. So we'll start from this beach. This is Patnam. Then we'll go to Rajbagh. And Rajbagh and Patnam के बीच में there is a rock. वो हमको climb करके जाना है. And then from Rajbagh we'll have to swim from that water body and get to Talpona.
Yeah.
And then
Get to the jetty.
Get to the jetty. Yeah. The jetty से we will climb. And then jetty से climb करके we will go to Talpona beach, and from Talpona there's another rock between Talpona and the next beach. We'll cross that and then we'll reach to Galgibagh, and once we reach Galgibagh there's another water body which is like really huge. Not huge but
Maybe huge.
maybe huge, not sure actually. तो वहाँ पे आगे जाके there are like these 2 beautiful beaches. I mean they are so beautiful. मैं last time गया था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I just wanted to go to that side. मतलब swim करके वहाँ जाने का बहुत इच्छा था, लेकिन मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी. तो मैंने लोगों को जमा किया है. So वहाँ जाएंगे. So that's the plan. So let's see how it works out.
Sit in Talpona. There's the end of Patnam,
Yeah.
and then now we're going to cross these rocks, and then we're going to Gazipag, and then we'll show the point.
Look at this.
And look at all that.
Wow.
And careful, I think there are broken pieces.
Oh. So these guys are so like professional. They find the spot, you know, the beautiful spot where they can chill at night, get their booze, drink aram se,
And then destroy it.
and then destroy it. While going, they won't even care कि यहाँ पे हमने कितना कचरा किया है. Really professional guys, huh?
Very professional.
Wow, but this place is beautiful, huh? Every time I come here, I'm like, wow. And the view that you get in the morning. There's so many backwaters यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
So this is also one of the backwaters.
And there's so much of life.
So
Like
much of life.
This tiny spot
Yeah.
over there.
So this is the starting point of Rajbagh, like the north end of Rajbagh. What are we looking at?
Snails.
Snails. Wow. Let's walk on that part. This is like really. Wow. So this is the extreme end of Rajbagh, the south of Rajbagh, and यहाँ से हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि ये जो पानी है यहाँ से हम लोग स्विम करके we'll go there. So there are two ways. This looks easier, पास में है. So एक तो ऐसे जा सकते हैं, या फिर we're thinking कि swim करके we'll go to the jetty directly. What do you think? क्या करना चाहिए?
I can't see the staircase अभी, so because
We can talk to these guys ना पहले.
but the staircase are behind these boards that you see.
We can go with these guys, I guess.
Yeah.
There's so many boats going right now. Let's wave. Let's see if those guys stop.
They're not even looking here. They're not even looking here.
Oh, he's turning. He's turning. Nice. Is he? He ignored us.
The pull is strong. We'll go from that side only.
Which side?
That side. You can feel it, no?
अच्छा तेरा पानी. Did you put your phone in the? No.
So
We made it. Shit. We just came to this part from there. वहाँ से यहाँ तक we came like while swimming. I wanted to record it but I was also little scared. So मैंने बोला कि अभी GoPro अंदर डाल देते हैं and just swim. So तुझे पता है जब like it was fine वहाँ तक ना, यहाँ तक it was okay. But now you see the water थोड़ा सा उधर जा रहा है. तब मेरी थोड़ी सी फटी.
even when we were there, we could feel थोड़ा.
Actually, you know, मेरी फटी वहाँ पे. वहाँ जाने के बाद because the water was taking me there and I'm like literally swimming full speed में and I'm like going this way but I'm still you know going here. I was like what the fuck. एक बार के लिए मेरी फट गई यार सच में कि वो ये लेके जाएगा हमने को. Finally when just I touched this rock, that time I was like कि भाई चलो पहुँच गए, we are safe. So happy. There are
I'm
no.
happy. You are happy?
I'm really happy. So no crocodiles,
No sea snakes.
Everything is fine. We made it to this part, which was a challenge in our head.
Huh.
It wasn't that difficult actually.
Yeah. Was it?
Yeah,
We
but
were
while
just.
coming, I just hurt myself thoda sa.
How did you do that? Oh yeah, I did that too. Okay, it's the rock.
Yeah, I think ये वाला जो rock है, I scraped it little bit. Blood looks a lot, but इतना लगा नहीं है जितना blood दिख रहा है. So it's okay. आराम से जा. However, be careful, don't hurt yourself. Look at this, guys. It goes from here, goes inside, and again comes out. And then this is what you see. Beautiful tree. What do you call them?
Call what?
This tree?
I don't know what this tree is called, but these type of roots are called aerial roots.
Aerial roots.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know which tree. We'll find out.
Looks like a mango tree to me.
Mango? No. No way that it's mango.
So the phone is dead.
The phone is dead.
उसमें पानी चला गया. But the good thing is that we made it to the land. We are here in the civilization again with this tagged cow.
Who does not want to be in the
Doesn't
video.
want to be in the video. So we are here in Talpona, alive
Yes.
and injured, bleeding. So the next thing that we are going to do is go like start from here and go to that extreme end of this beach, cross the rocks and get to the last beach. Oh, nice.
We have a dip.
Yeah, but so yeah guys, this is Talpona and now I don't know what's the time because हमारा phone बंद हो गया है, but मुझे नहीं लगता ज़्यादा time हुआ होगा. We left at 7:30 and I guess it's
8:30
8:30 और 9। तो हम लोग हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, ब्रेड एंड न्यूटेला। और अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे चिल मारेंगे थोड़ी देर, क्योंकि जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था हमारे लिए वो हम लोगों ने कर लिया है। सो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू रिलैक्स। सबसे डिफिकल्ट फेज खत्म। नाउ देख वो वेव्स देख, कितना प्यार से आया वो, कितना प्यार से आया। वी वर एट दिस बीच, तालपोना बीच। हम लोगों ने काफ़ी देर तक पानी के अंदर स्विम किया एंड काफ़ी देर स्विम करने के बाद में वी वेंट एंड हैड आवर ब्रेकफास्ट। यहाँ पे बहुत सस्ता ऑमलेट पाव मिलता है, ओनली फॉर 25 रुपीज़, विच इज़ अ ह्यूज सरप्राइज फॉर अस बिकॉज गोवा में कुछ भी सस्ता नहीं मिलता है, यहाँ पे बहुत महंगा मिलता है। तो यहाँ पे एक टपरी थी जहाँ पे जाके हम लोगों ने 25 रुपये का ऑमलेट पाव खाया, 10 रुपये की चाय पी और फिर हम लोग यहाँ पे आके बैठ गए नियर द रॉक्स। सो दीज आर द रॉक्स दैट यू हैव टू क्लाइंब टू गेट टू दैट बीच, एंड द बीच, द नेम ऑफ द बीच इज़ गालजी बाग। What do you like about this beach?
It's so calm and it's only nature.
Only nature.
Yeah, and look at these tiny crabs here. It's so peaceful and calm.
Yeah, it's like no human interference. So many crabs.
Yeah.
You know, you can also walk through that jungle. It's nice path. Yeah, nice trail inside. We should jump in the water. यहाँ पे, let's go. Let's go. Oh, hi. What's up? क्या कर रहे हो?
बस चिल मार रहे हैं।
चिल मार रहे हो क्या? Dude, हम लोग भी चिल मार रहे हैं। My friend is there. She's walking. Two of my friends are coming from behind. We came all the way from Patnam.
Wow, very nice. How did you come?
We walked till Lal Bagh, Raj Bagh, and then we
took a ferry.
no, we swam through the river,
Man, impressive. Very
and
nice.
then we came to the rock, and now we again like came all the way here. Now we're planning to go to the next beach by crossing the river.
That's excellent. Right?
Yeah. So I need to go.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Very
Bye. So these are the rocks. Don't go from this side, but from this side. So, guys, we have reached the extreme south of Galji Bagh, and now we have to cross this. ये वाला part हमको cross करना है, and we have to go to that side. के अंदर तुम बहुत easily walk कर सकते हो. देखो मैं बहुत आराम से walk करके वहाँ से जा रहा हूँ. So last time जब मैं यहाँ आया पता पानी काफ़ी ऊपर था, because it was high tide, and someone was telling me कि we should cross it during the high tide. But I was telling that person कि it will be easier if we do it in the low tide.
I was told by the lifeguard on the other beach.
It seems like the man is right,
Yeah.
and the woman.
Okay,
Yes,
you're
yes.
right.
Just kidding, guys. This is not about man and woman. It's just being smart. You know?
This is self.
खुद की तारीफ. All right. So, guys, this is that beach which I was talking about, where we really wanted to come and chill. But अभी यहाँ पे आज संडे होने के कारण काफ़ी सारे लोग आए हुए हैं, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम इतने लोग नहीं थे. So whatever. So that's it for today. Actually हम लोग यहाँ से और भी आगे जाने वाले हैं. There is another place 3 kilometers from here. So हम लोग यहाँ से चल के एक सी केव है, वहाँ जाने वाले हैं. But unfortunately मेरे GoPro का बैटरी ड्रेन होने वाला है, so I won't be able to record it. But yeah, maybe I'll share the experience later. फ़िलहाल के लिए इतना ही. So that's it, guys. Have a good day and bye-bye. So this is my friend Ritvik. ये भी आया है, लेट आया है लेकिन आया है.